Greetings. Today, set aside your daily anxieties, your mobile phone, money, property, and the repetitive thoughts of I and mine for just a moment. Close your eyes and allow this monumental journey I'm about to describe to unfold entirely within your imagination. Many of us share a common habit. When we travel fast in a car or on a motorcycle, we look at the trees and buildings rushing backward along the roadside and marvel, wow, look how fast we are going. But when we board an airplane flying high above the clouds at 35,000 feet and look out the window, the clouds seem to stand completely still. We feel as though we are sitting quietly inside a motionless room. Even though the aircraft is hurtling through the sky at 900 kilometers per hour, our brain cannot perceive that immense speed because there are no external landmarks like trees or buildings to compare it to. This exact airplane phenomenon is precisely what is happening in our everyday lives right now. You might be watching this video in your home, sitting on a chair or a bed thinking, I am perfectly still and motionless in one place. But that is absolutely not true. This Earth you are sitting on is spinning on its axis in deep space, carrying you and me at a staggering speed of 1,670 kilometers per hour. And that is not all. This entire Earth is hurtling through space, carrying us around the Sun at an unbelievable speed of 107,000 kilometers per hour. To put that into perspective, in the single second it takes you to blink your eyes, we have just roared 30 kilometers across the cosmic expanse. Because there are no trees or clouds outside our planet to compare it to, we remain under the illusion that we are perfectly still. Living on an Earth that plunges forward at such a colossal speed, we constantly waste our precious lives getting angry, upset, and anxious over trivial things, thinking, he insulted me or she deceived me. But where is this Earth heading as it races through space? How truly vast is this cosmos that surrounds us? Come, let us dive much deeper. Our Earth dimensions and grandeur. Let us first examine the planet we call home. To our eyes, this Earth appears incredibly massive and boundless. The distance from the center of the Earth to its surface, its radius, is approximately 6,371 kilometers. The overall circumference of the Earth is roughly 40,075 kilometers. Now, I challenge you. Think of a familiar 20 or 30 kilometer distance in your mind right now. Think about how long it takes to cover that 30 kilometer distance between your town and the next on a motorcycle or in a car. That distance alone feels massive to our human perception, doesn't it? Imagine how many times larger this Earth is with its 40,075 kilometer circumference. The mind staggers just attempting to visualize it. Yet, when compared to the grand scale of the universe, do you know how infinitesimally small this mighty Earth truly is? Our solar system and the planets. The central point that gives light, energy, and ultimate governance to this entire cosmic dance is our Sun. Do you know the distance between the Earth and the Sun? It is an average of 149.6 million kilometers. To comprehend how vast this distance is, let us look at the speed of light. The speed of light is a staggering 3,000 kilometers per second. Even at that supreme speed, the light rays leaving the Sun take 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach our Earth. This means that the sunlight you are looking at right now is actually light that left the Sun more than 8 minutes ago. Distance aside, what about the size of the Sun? The Sun is 1.3 million times larger than the Earth. Imagine the Sun as a massive vessel. You would have to pour 1.3 million Earths into it just to fill it up. The diameter of the Sun alone is about 1.3 million kilometers. Compared to the Earth's diameter of 12,742 kilometers, the Sun is 109 times wider. Spanning across these vast distances, orbiting the Sun alongside our Earth are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, along with billions of asteroids. Among these, Jupiter alone is 1,300 times larger than the Earth. Compare that 30-kilometer distance you imagined earlier to this. Jupiter is spectacularly colossal. Meanwhile, Saturn floats majestically in space, adorned with its breathtaking rings of ice. All these planets are constantly being pulled toward the Sun, but to keep from crashing into it, they revolve in their specific orbits at incredible speeds. Because gravitational pull and the centrifugal force of the planet's rotation are in a state of flawless, absolute equilibrium, these celestial bodies have danced this cosmic ballet for billions of years without colliding or falling into the Sun, the Milky Way, and the mystery of the light year. When we step outside the boundaries of our solar system, billions of stars lie scattered across the dark expanse. All of these stars, including our entire solar system, are contained within one massive cosmic structure called the Milky Way galaxy. The scale of the Milky Way cannot be measured by humans in kilometers. If we started writing it in kilometers, we would fill entire pages with zeros and still run out of space. That is why scientists use the measurement called a light year. A light year is the total distance that light travels through space in one full year, moving at 3,000,000 kilometers per second. In kilometers, 1 light year is approximately 9.46 trillion kilometers, a mind-boggling distance followed by 12 zeros. Do you know how vast our Milky Way galaxy is? If you wanted to travel from one edge of it to the other, even if you traveled at the speed of light, it would take you 1,000,000 years. Within this single Milky Way galaxy, how many stars like our Sun exist? There are roughly 100 to 400 billion stars. In this colossal gathering, our Sun rests like a tiny speck of dust in a distant corner, nestled inside a minor arm of the galaxy known as the Orion Arm. Time travel. Are the stars we see real? Imagine you go up to your terrace at night and look up at the sky. You see billions of twinkling stars, don't you? Right there lies the greatest paradox of the universe. The light from a distant star takes hundreds, sometimes thousands of light years to reach the Earth. For instance, if a star is located 500 light years away from us, the light ray leaving that star has traveled through space for 500 years just to reach your eyes tonight. What this truly means is that the star you see in the night sky is not its present reality. You are looking at how that star appeared 500 years ago. In truth, that star might have exploded and died a century ago, but the news of its destruction has simply not reached us yet. It will take another 400 years for that event to be visible on Earth. Therefore, when we look at the night sky, we are never looking at the universe's present, we are looking directly into the universe's past. We don't even know if many of the stars we see tonight are still alive. The boundary of the cosmos, an ocean of galaxies. Is our Milky Way galaxy the largest entity in existence? Absolutely not. Do you know how many such galaxies exist in this universe? According to modern scientific estimates, within our observable universe alone, there are approximately 2 trillion galaxies. And every single one of those galaxies holds billions of solar systems within it. The supreme secret of the universe, 99% pure emptiness. Now let this next realization sink deeply into your imagination. If we take the Earth, the Sun, Jupiter, the 400 billion stars of our galaxy, and the 2 trillion galaxies in existence, and compress them all together to compare them against the total volume of the universe, a magnificent revelation awaits you. All these planets, stars, and galaxies combined make up less than 1% of the entire universe. Yes, you heard that right. When you subtract all physical matter, more than 99% of this entire cosmos is absolute open space, a magnificent harmony, a supreme profound emptiness. A star exists billions of kilometers away, and the entire span between it and the next is pure void. Within that immense emptiness, stars and planets drift like microscopic specks of dust. So what is the true, underlying essence of this cosmos? It is emptiness itself, the great shield beyond Earth, the atmosphere. In this vast cosmic emptiness, what protects our tiny speck of an Earth? It is the atmosphere, a magnificent layer enveloping our planet like a glowing blue protective shield. This atmosphere extends about 10,000 kilometers from the Earth's surface into space, with the first 100 kilometers being the densest part. It is filled with a perfect balance of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide. The density of these atomic gases acts as a supreme fortress, blocking lethal cosmic radiation from deep space and preserving all life below. The world we perceive, the play of atoms. Now, observe the physical world around you. Over 70% of our Earth's surface is covered by water. What is the water we drink to survive? Chemically, it is H_2O, a spectacular combination of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom beautifully bound together. It is not just water, the aluminum and brass utensils we use daily, the steel in the cars and motorcycles we drive, the petrol and diesel that power them. All of these are simply different structural arrangements of atoms existing across 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. The green tree standing before you, the hard rock beneath your feet, the precious gold you wear, or the strong iron we build with, everything is entirely composed of atoms. Every single physical object we touch or see in this world derives its unique shape and form solely from the specific arrangement of the atoms within it. Thoughts and sound, the vibration of atoms. Even my voice reaching your ears right now happens through this profound mechanism. There lies the deeper magic of atoms. As I speak, the vibrations originating from my vocal cords strike the air atoms in the atmosphere, causing them to vibrate one after the other in a domino effect. Those atomic wave vibrations reach your ears and translate into sound. If there were no atoms in the air, sound could never travel. And it doesn't stop with sound waves. The thoughts and ideas flashing through your mind are incredibly powerful. Every single thought you generate travels through the neurons of your brain, projecting into space as a specific electromagnetic frequency. Because the world we inhabit is an active field saturated with atoms, when you align and focus your thoughts with 100% conscious awareness, those thought vibrations ripple through this atomic fabric, transforming into a supreme force that magnetically attracts your deep desires and privileges directly into your reality. The next phase, the mystery of the physical form. As human beings, we live out our lives on this earth. But why must we understand this atomic mechanism and the 99% cosmic emptiness? Because the very same atoms that constructed this grand universe have also constructed this physical form, our body. The H_2O water we drink, the oxygen we breathe, the food we consume every day, do you know what they transform into once they enter our system? Our digestive system breaks that food down, separating it into glucose, proteins, cholesterol, vitamins, and minerals. All of these are nothing but diverse combinations of atoms. Why do we consume food? How does the food we eat convert into atomic structures to sustain our physical form? What is the profound, hidden connection between the food we eat and the thoughts in our minds? How do the biological mechanisms and healing processes within our body operate? What must a human being do to navigate this earth, transcend past karmic patterns, align the mind with 100% focus, manifest every reality through thought alone, and live a life of complete peace and ultimate abundance? As the next step of this grand journey, in our upcoming video, we will dive much deeper, using mind-boggling evidence to explore the wondrous cosmic architecture of atoms within us and the complete biological mechanisms of this physical form. Do not miss it. Look at yourself through the eyes of the cosmos, and your ultimate abundant life will manifest in the palm of your hands. Thank you. Namaste.